Mr. Castillo lost his mother at age 40. She was 42 years old.
Okay.
And that was part of the reason why he was using illegal substances.
Court is calling 2025 CR 0074447, State versus Ethan Castillo. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Warren Wolf for Mr. Castillo.
And are you Mr. Castillo?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Castillo, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Castillo, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, thank you.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
We've discussed that. There are no defenses.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense? Mr. Castillo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the United States. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, random UAs, DOEP, MRT, grief counseling, and obtain your GED. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty. Guilty.
State any evidence?
State offers into evidence State's Exhibit 1 with attachment as well as the discovery. Well, that's the attachment, the discovery acknowledgement.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. What is happening with the credit card possession?
There were no cases filed on them for that, Your Honor.
All right. Do you wish to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, if you notice in the recommendations I brought to the state's attention that Mr. Castillo lost his mother at age 40. She was 42 years old.
Okay,
And that was part of the reason why he was using illegal substances. And I asked the state to include a recommendation for grief counseling, as Ethan is 21 years old. And I think he would benefit from that, in addition to the normal drug counseling because of the drug. You know, and I've already talked to him, but that's not.
what is his criminal history?
I don't think he has it.
He doesn't have it.
And he's to finish his education. That's the reason I suggest to the state just to include GED.
Because of the credit cards that the court mentioned.
Okay. All right. Who's your support system? What do you, I mean, is he able to speak?
Yes,
All right. Do you have someone who provides support for you somewhere where you're going to be staying?
My brother,
And how old is your brother?
34.
All right. And where's your father?
My father is he's nowhere to be found.
Okay. So who lives with your brother?
My cousin and my grandma.
Okay. So how long have you been using?
I don't even remember. Like I stopped. Whenever the last time I used was whenever I got in trouble.
All right. Before that, how long had you been using? Or to what extent?
when did you start using? How old were you when you started?
I was like 20.
All right. And so how often were you using?
Not every day, just like twice a week.
Okay. All right. And when did you drop out of school? Or what grade?
I dropped out in 10th grade,
Why?
hanging with the wrong crowd and trying to be something I wasn't.
All right. So let me just tell you about wrong crowds. If I were talking to those other people, their parents would say that you're the wrong crowd. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So you drop out, and what did your mom say?
My mom was really upset with me, and I'm trying to make my mom proud.
Okay. And do you have any children?
No.
All right. All right, the court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's going to be regular random UAs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. In custody, I'm going to ask for a referral to Felony Drug Court. Felony Drug Court is a great program, and they'll be able to provide you the support system that you need to be successful.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
So
Your Honor.
you're welcome. Just make sure that you're honest with them. So they'll be able to address any grief counseling that you need, any mental health issues, drug issues, all of that. And they'll be able to get you on the right track. As you can see, because I have so many cases, I won't be able to see you as intensively as they will be. They'll be able to see you every week to see how you're doing. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So in custody, Felony Drug Court, and a TAP evaluation, follow recommendations. Felony Drug Court should accept you if you're completely honest with them. There's going to be grief counseling. Probation, do you all have something for grief counseling? All right. And there's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order that you obtain your GED. If you obtain your GED or either trade school certification, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. If you successfully complete this probation, you won't have to pay a fine. And there's to be restitution for drug testing. Counsel, if you deem the drug testing restitution is high, we can come back and have a discussion about it.
Thank you.
All right, probation, is there anything else?
Then because of the GED, you're not gonna take home getting a job, right?
How old are you?
21.
We'll do employment, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, and then no unsupervised contact with minors. Anything else, probation?
No, that's.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Nothing.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and on the win. Because in this court, my goal is to hopefully have people who are on probation who are rehabilitated. And let me just tell you what will happen. If you end up testing positive, probation is going to send me something. And then I'm going to have a compliance hearing where you come in and we're going to see if we can help you with that. But if you disappear, there's nothing anybody can do. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And if you need something, just let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court and address it with me, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Ms. Wood.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.